Hello everyone, this is Sheshe and today we are making, if you looked at the title, the heart woven pockets. It looks like this and it's made with the alphabet punch board. Another tutorial. So how do we do this? So this is what it looks like, and this is how it looks on the inside. What you can do is put little goodies inside. You can put this on a scrapbook album, put your pictures inside or goodies, whatever you want. But this is how it turns out when we're finished. So what you will need is, get this little paper here. The size we're making is, let's see, what does it measure? Didn't measure it pre-hand. Get this ruler here. Okay, the size we are making at the widest mark is a 6-inch wide by 5 inches. Okay, that's how big it is. Really nice size. Alright, so you'll need 2 pieces of paper, or scrapbook paper or cardstock. You will cut them out at 6 inches by 5 inches. You don't need a scoring board, but if you want to get a perfect score in the middle, you score it at the 3-inch mark on the 6-inch side, okay? You fold it in half. So then it will be 3 inches by 5 inches, okay? So next, what you'll need is a ruler. And what you will do is measure it 1 inch and in 1 inch increments, okay? So you'll have 3 lines here in 1 inch increments. Then from the top, you will measure 1 inch going across, just like I have here. Okay? So then next you will need your puncher on your alphabet punch board. And you can use this tool right here to make your cuts, but I don't know if it really goes. It does, but I don't know if it's going to cut straight and through 2 sheets of cardstock. You can try it, but I don't know. I use scissors, so you can try it, but it's up to you. I just don't think this blade is sharp enough to cut through it, but you can try it on your own. I'm using scissors though, because it's 2 layers of cardstock that you need to cut through, and I just don't want to chance it, but you can try it if you want. Okay, after you do your measuring and you use a pencil to make your marks, you're going to take a pair of scissors and cut along these lines. And you do this for both pieces of cardstock. Like I said, you need 2. You need to do this for both. Now, if you want to make it two-tone, like I showed in my example, use 2 different styles of cardstock that match, if you want to do it that way, like 2 coordinating pieces that look nice. Okay, like that. So there you go. Now you can punch it out ahead of time if you want, or you can just make your cuts. It does not matter. So I'm going to give it a punch. And you have to be really, really strong to punch through 2 layers of cardstock, okay? I'm going to give it a second punch. You just flip it and give it a punch. Whew, that was hard. Then when you open it up, it looks like that. See there? Okay? Alright, I'm going to put this blade back in. You do not need your puncher after that. I'm going to take the board away. You'll need some glue. And I've already done my second piece to save some time. So I'm going to reverse this because I just needed it to do my marks on the other side. So I'm going to make the same one that I did for the other one. Okay, when you start to weave the two together, this opens up. We're going to start with one side, and you're going to go in and out with this top one. Okay, this one goes under the pattern, and then it comes out and then back in, like so, because we're going to do one side at a time. And then this one just cups in like that. Okay, so this is what we have so far. This is going to tuck in like that, and then this is what we have for the one side. So everything's all woven. Then we're going to flip it and do the other side. So this is how it looks so far when it's complete. So now we have to work on the other side to get that straightened out. So on the other side, what you want to do is start with this one, and you want to go under this part like that. This one goes over and then under. And then this part comes out and over like that. Okay, and then this tucks in. Oops, it's coming apart. This tucks in to this one. So everything's nice and tight. So then you need some glue to glue everything together. Like this goes down, and then you want to glue this in so that everything is all stuck together and it won't come apart. You want to glue this part together so then all this stays. So I'm going to get my glue to glue it together. So I'm going to glue this right here. Let's see if I can zoom in just a little bit so you can see. I'm going to glue this right here. Glue that down so that it doesn't come apart. And then I'm going to glue this down right here. Now, do you need an alphabet punch board to do this? No, not really. It just makes it easier to get the rounded corners right here. Okay. There is one thing, I think I need to take this one out. Yeah, this comes out. Actually, no, it stays in. I'm sorry. Oh, jeebus. It can stay in. I was right the first time. So this side is fine. This side, I just need to glue down these two sides. And then press it down. So it's easier to figure out what needs to come out when you have two different patterns. So it's like you have this one and this one out, this one and this one out. And so now it's all done. And there's your pocket. Zoom out just a little bit. There you go. And then you can embellish it, put some flowers on there, and do what you need to do. You can put some words or whatever. Put a die cut right here. Put that on there. There you go. So I hope you found this helpful and you'll give it a try. I thought it was really cool to come up with another way to use your alphabet punch board. Get the other one. So here they are. Have fun making these. Take care and have a fabulous day. Oh, and if you are on Instagram, if you make these, tag me. I go by the same name on Instagram, Sheshe Crafts. All right, have a fabulous day. Take care.